Good afternoon. How are you? I missed you all. I really missed you so much. We're just going to discuss what a cause effect essay is. I'm now opening on page 31 from second part of the reading. We approximately finished the first part. Now we are in the second part. In general, a cause effect essay, before we start reading it from the book, it looks for the reason. Okay, it discusses the reason, which is the cause, and also it discusses the effect, which is the result. So cause means reason and effect is result. So a cause effect essay discusses the reason and the result, and sometimes it may discuss the solution. Okay, it may come in include the solution. So a cause effect essay is one of the expository writing. Usually the expository writing means the informative writing, in which we give information about something, okay, which we show the cause or effect of something, explain something, we show the we compare and contrast between two things, okay. These all are collected under one title, which is the expository writing. So, a cause effect essay is an expository writing that explains why something happened, the cause, and the result, which is the effect. Now, in general, the cause effect essay is organized as any other essay, which is a cause effect essay should include, of course, a well-defined topic sentence, which should be found in the introduction. We should, for example, if we want to discuss the causes or effect of any idea, we should of course gather information, okay, and we should also gather clear information, and we should make sure, I have to make sure that the information we have gathered are true, okay, true and correct. So we have to choose a topic, gather details, and organize. How to organize a cause effect essay? And a cause effect essay is organized as any other essay. First of all, concerning the introduction. In the introduction, we start with a topic sentence and end with a thesis statement. Thesis statement. I always used to tell you how important the thesis statement is. The thesis statement is the window of the essay. When I read it, I can know what I'm going to read about. So, write a strong introduction. Your introduction is the first thing the audience read. Of course, the introduction in any kind of essays is the first paragraph, as I told you. It includes a sentence or two explaining the importance of your topic at the beginning, okay? And then identify the main points you will make in your essay in the thesis statement. I first start my introduction in general, from general to specific, and then I specify what I'm going to read about in the thesis statement. Explain cause and effect, prove the cause and effect relationship, describe. As you draft, explain the logic of each cause and effect relationship you present, which is, if I want to discuss, for example, the cause and effect of addiction, I have, let's say, 3 causes, okay? I should write each cause followed by its effect, okay? Each reason followed by its result. For example, one of the main causes of drug addiction is the divorcement of parents, for example. Let's say, because nobody will take care of the teenager, so he starts to be a drug addict. So what's the result? What do you think the result of a drug addict is? He will maybe enter the jail, or maybe he will die from an overdose, for example. So each cause should be followed by its effect. Then use the appropriate state main ideas clearly, okay? Which is the cause should be clearly stated. The cause should be clearly stated, which is we have to use and appropriate words, words that can be understood by a teacher as well as a student. Okay, simple and appropriate words to describe the cause as well as the effect. So we have to we should use appropriate vocabulary words understood by the students and by the teacher. Okay, we have to use the appropriate verb tense. For example, generally you should use one verb tense. Okay, however, to allow the order of events you may need to shift tenses. I will tell you something. If I'm talking in general about the causes and effects of we were in drug addiction, let's say in drug addiction, for example, I should use the simple present tense. Why? I will tell you why. Because we are discussing sociable a sociable problem that is occurring in most of the societies nowadays. Okay, it's happening nowadays. It is not a problem that happened in the past or finished. It's happening nowadays. So we use the simple present tense. In case I want to give an example of the simple past, I can use the simple past tense. But usually when I'm discussing a social problem, I use the simple present tense. Focus on unnecessary words. In good writing, say something in less words is more effective than saying it in a lot of words, which means we have to omit repetition and we have to omit using useless words. I was telling you now. We have to choose suitable, understandable, effective words, okay? Neither than using useless and many words. So the cause effect essay is a very, very clear essay and easy. I will repeat, it discusses the causes, reasons, and the effect. And it's organized as any other type of writing is organized. This in general. If you have any question, you can contact me or contact Miss Hala. Okay, I miss you all. Stay safe and stay at home, and I hope to see you soon. Love you all. Bye.